The story of Atlantis begins not on a distant island, but within the pages of two philosophical dialogues. These dialogues, Timaeus and Critias, were penned by the Greek philosopher Plato around 360 BC. In these works, Plato describes a powerful and advanced civilization called Atlantis. He attributes his knowledge of Atlantis to Solon, a renowned Athenian statesman and lawgiver. According to Plato, Solon traveled to Egypt around 590 BC, seeking wisdom from the priests of Sais, a city celebrated for its ancient knowledge. It is here in the temple of Sais that Solon encountered an old priest named Sonkis. Sonkis shared a tale with Solon that had been passed down through generations of Egyptian priests. It was the story of Atlantis, an island nation located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, believed to be the Strait of Gibraltar. This island, Sonkis explained, was larger than Libya and Asia Minor combined. It was a land of fertile plains, abundant resources, and sophisticated engineering. The Atlanteans, a powerful and technologically advanced people, had built a magnificent city of concentric rings surrounded by canals and bridges. They were skilled in warfare, craftsmanship, and seafaring, their ships sailing to many parts of the world. The Egyptian priest, eager to impart the wisdom of his ancestors, described the Atlanteans as both blessed and cursed. They had achieved a level of prosperity and advancement that surpassed any other civilization known to the Egyptians. However, their success had bred arrogance and greed. The Atlanteans, drunk on their power, sought to conquer lands beyond their own. They launched a massive military campaign intending to subjugate Athens and other nations. The Athenians, though outnumbered and outmatched, fought bravely against the Atlantean invaders. In a surprising turn of events, the Athenians repelled the Atlantean attack, saving their city and preserving their freedom. But their victory was short-lived. The gods, angered by the Atlanteans' hubris and aggression, unleashed a series of catastrophic events upon them. Earthquakes, floods, and volcanic eruptions ravaged the island nation. Within a single day and night, the once mighty Atlantis vanished beneath the waves, swallowed by the very sea that had brought it such prosperity. This, Sonkis explained to Solon, was the fate that awaited any nation that succumbed to greed and ambition. Plato's account of Atlantis, though shrouded in myth and allegory, has captivated imaginations for centuries. Was Atlantis a real place swallowed by the sea in some ancient cataclysm? Or was it a cautionary tale meant to illustrate the dangers of unchecked ambition? The answer, like the location of Atlantis itself, remains elusive. Despite its uncertain historical validity, Atlantis has come to symbolize something profound in human consciousness. It represents a lost paradise, a civilization that achieved technological and cultural heights that we can only imagine. The story of Atlantis speaks to our fascination with the unknown, our desire to uncover the secrets of the past, and our hope that somewhere beneath the waves or hidden in the mists of time, there exist wonders yet to be discovered. Section 4. The Azores Connection, a plausible theory. Among the many theories about the location of Atlantis, one of the most intriguing focuses on the Azores. This archipelago of 9 volcanic islands, located in the North Atlantic Ocean, bears some striking similarities to Plato's description of Atlantis. The Azores are situated near the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a zone of intense seismic activity. This geological instability has led some researchers to speculate that the Azores may be the remnants of a larger landmass that sank beneath the ocean in prehistoric times. Furthermore, the Azores are home to a variety of unique flora and fauna, suggesting a long period of isolation. Could these islands, with their volcanic origins and biological diversity, be the last vestiges of the once mighty Atlantis? While the Azores theory is compelling, it is important to note that there is no definitive archaeological evidence to support it. Section 5. Eternal Enigma, the enduring allure of Atlantis. The search for Atlantis, like the search for any great mystery, is driven as much by imagination as it is by evidence. The lack of definitive proof has not diminished the allure of this lost civilization. If anything, it has only fueled speculation and inspired countless expeditions, books, and documentaries. The story of Atlantis continues to resonate with us because it speaks to something deep within the human spirit, our fascination with lost worlds. our longing for knowledge, and our belief in the possibility of civilizations both glorious and tragically flawed. The legend of Atlantis reminds us that the Earth holds many secrets and that the past is not always what it seems. Perhaps one day we will uncover the truth about Atlantis. Until then, the search continues, fueled by curiosity, imagination, and the enduring hope of uncovering one of history's greatest mysteries.